We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 8.5 by 22 foot I-beam Deckover trailer. This does have your jack, adjustable coupler, and safety chains with the chain basket at the tongue. Has your I-beam, as well as the spare tire holder and breakaway system. There are stake pockets alongside. The floor is pressure treated wood. There are two Greaseable 7,000-pound axles with 16-inch wheels and tires. D-rings. This is a straight deck trailer. There are ramps for loading located here. This trailer does come with LED drive lights. Once again, this is going to be the 8.5 by 22 foot straight Deckover. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.